नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ओपन सिस्टम के कई एग्जांपल उठा के कौन कौन एग्जांपल बोलना चाहते हो? रिवर एज ए सिस्टम, रिवर को ले सकते हो एज ए सिस्टम, सिटी एज ए ना, हाँ सिटी को, लेकिन कंप्लीटली सिटी एज ए सिस्टम नहीं ले सकते हो. इट हैजंट बीन ग्रोइंग देयर सिचुएशन एज एन एंड इज एन डिफ्यूजन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. ओपन सिस्टम है. अच्छा ओपन बोल रहे थे, हाँ, तो दैट इज आई सेड दैट इट इज एन कंप्लीटली, आप किसी भी सिस्टम को लोगे, अर्बन को, इंडस्ट्री को, एग्रीकल्चर को, कुछ भी क्या है, इट इज एन कंप्लीटली ओपन सिस्टम. तो सारे एग्जांपल नोट कर डाल देना, एग्रीकल्चर, इंडस्ट्री, लेकिन पार्ट ऑफ इट थोड़ा सा आप क्लोज सिस्टम ले सकते हो, बट टू सम एक्सटेंट ओवर द पीरियड, over the space it can be closed, but over the space and time it will become open. Understood? Over the space, particular time mein it is an I can what? Closed system. Like Delhi is now, if I can be able to say to an extent, then particular city, small town can be in a closed system. लेकिन आप उसको किसी भी सिटी को आप क्लोज सिस्टम तो कह नहीं सकते कंप्लीटली. कह सकते हो क्या? Always there is an interaction with the outside for the different kind of functionalities. लेकिन घोस्ट टाउन बन गया तो घोस्ट टाउन, यू नो दैट पीपल हैज लेफ्ट, फ्यू पीपल आर लिविंग, इट विल बिकम कंप्लीटली अनअवेयर. सो कहां पे थे हम? नेक्स्ट वन, आई सेड दैट सिस्टम इंक्लूड्स एलिमेंट्स and then there is a linkages between elements. Through some functionality and structure within a given structure, through some functionality within a given structure. So what I said that system कैसा है? System में elements हैं and there are linkages between elements through some functionalities within a given structure. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are living in a village. Village से किधर जा रहे हो? Interacting with the town. Village town. This is one structure, functionality. But you started interacting with the cities also. The village cities is another structure. So within a given structure, you are I said that connected linkages in the element through some functionalities in a given structure. Understood? So, what is elements? Now, definition of element. What is element? It is in a part of a system and then which conceive. It is in a part of system which conceive. क्या करेगा? कैसे? It depends upon scale. It depends upon the element definition depends upon the scale. I said that for the IMF, there is several organizations are there. Then the organization become elements. So I have taken a large scale. On the large scale, there is this scale become what? Elements, organization. And within the organization, there is what? Departments. The departments become what is elements of the what? Organization. And then departments के अंदर human being become what? Elements of the departments. Understood? So the element का definition क्या दोगे? Yes? Yes? Based on scale. Understood? Concept is based on scale. Understood? So write down, element is a part of a system which based on scale which based on concept of scale, which based on concept of scale. Understood? Like international monetary system, includes elements of forms and organization. Organization under IMS, International Monetary System. Organization under IMS has several departments as element. And each department has human being as elements. etc. Understood? Next one, change the para. System can interact at its level as well as at its subsystem level. System can interact at its level and at subsystem level. So this is in a system, this is system A, and within this I said that P, there is an I said that P, and there is I said Q. These are the two elements in the system A. There is in a system B, there is an R as an element, S as an element, T as an element. Okay. This is system B. So system A and system B are interacting with each other. Yes? System A and system B are interacting with each other. So what is I said that the system can interact at its level. What is the meaning of it? System can interact at its level. Yes. IMF is in a what? If I other body I say the United Nation के अंदर बहुत सारे सिस्टम है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फिर किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते रहते हैं. हमारे यहाँ डिफरेंट वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ आई सेड दैट सार्क एंड वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ अभी हम लोग बन गए हैं क्या है एससीओ, संघाई कॉपरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So we are interacting in the form of I said that sometimes as a system and sometimes this is for the first interacting as a system, and here I said that system A, P and Q, and there is a system B, there is an R, S, T. And here it is I said that there is an interaction is taking place at subsystem level. This is I said that upper figure is showing that it is an interaction at system level, and then lower figure is showing that interaction at subsystem level. Lower figure is showing interaction at subsystem level. Understood? Clear? So we have seen interaction. upper figure is interaction at system level and another I said this interaction at subsystem level. ये आपको कैसा दिखते जा रहा है? क्या मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि मैं पॉजिटिविज्म और मैं क्वांटिटेटिव रिवोल्यूशन के बेस पे चल रहा हूं? यस, यहां पे ह्यूमन वैल्यूज को इग्नोर की जा रही है. दिख रहा है जो मैं चल रहा हूं, द वे दैट आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग, इट इज लुकिंग लाइक, यस. तो ये ध्यान में रखना, इट इज एन क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ ऑल दिस. अंडरस्टूड? Shall I remove? और ये कब आया? 1968 में. When it has come? You know that I have given in 1968. कहाँ पे थे हम? हाँ. Now we are going to see relationship. We are going to see system relationship. Ludwig von Lönnefeldt said there is an what? Series relationship. He said that there is a parallel relationship, and he said that there is a feedback relationship. He said that there is a simple compound relationship, complex compound relationship.